Okay, so here's your work today. For today, we're going to do spelling. The theme of the spelling words is the sound that A makes, like an apple. Ah. Everybody say ah. What I want you to do is, if you have a printer that works at home, print this paper so you can use it to work from. If you don't have a printer, then just take a regular piece of lined paper from your binder and write neatly. You're going to copy the words, make sure you spell them correctly, and you're going to write the word in a sentence. Remember, a sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a period. Also, I like you to try to not start your sentences with the word I. So for example, our first word is the word cap. A cap is like the cap on a bottle, or a hat is a cap. So if my sentence was, I am wearing a green cap, that's not the best sentence because I don't like when you start your sentences with the word I. It's just a little bit too easy. So try as best as you can to not start your sentences with the word I. I'm going to read you all of the words. Cap, as, and, sand, stand, mask, zap, ask. This is a tricky word. The word is the, is, and snap. So you're going to copy the word here, make sure it's spelled correctly, and then you're going to write sentences here. Again, you can print this or write on a separate piece of paper. When you're done writing, please take a picture of it and send me an email with the picture. Make sure your first name and last name is in the subject line. I know that you might have to ask your parents for help with that. And that's okay if you don't send it to me today, just make sure you do it today. Remember our sentences again. We're writing good sentences with at least 5 words in them, starting with a capital and ending with a period. I can't wait to see them all.